In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Wix email inbox. If you are trying to find messages sent through your website, especially from contact forms, chat conversations, or even store order activity, the place you need to look is the Wix inbox. This is where Wix gathers your site's visitor communication in one central location, making it much easier to stay organized and respond quickly. To get started, go to your Wix account and sign in as usual. Once you are in, select the website you want to check. This part is important, especially if you manage more than one site in the same account. Because each site has its own separate inbox and visitor activity, choosing the correct site ensures that you are viewing the right messages and updates. After opening the site dashboard, look over to the left-hand menu. In that menu, click on Inbox. This is the main area where Wix stores communication related to your website. It's designed to help you keep track of all the interactions happening on your site without needing to jump between different sections. From here, you can view your site's visitor activity in one place. That includes messages submitted through your contact forms, chat messages from visitors, and updates connected to store orders. If you've been wondering where a customer message went, or where to follow up with someone who contacted you through your website, this is the section to use. You can also respond directly from the Wix inbox, which makes it a convenient tool for managing communication efficiently. In addition to replying, you are able to organize messages so your inbox stays easier to navigate. This can be especially helpful if your site receives a steady flow of visitor inquiries and you want to keep everything clear and manageable. A good tip is to check your inbox regularly so you don't miss time-sensitive messages from potential customers or existing clients. If your website relies on communication through forms or chat, making the inbox part of your routine can help you stay responsive and professional. So, anytime you want to check messages related to your Wix website, just log into your account, choose the correct site, and open the inbox from the left-hand dashboard menu. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.